How to take off screen time. Normal way to take off screen time. Tap the settings. Select Screen Time. Scroll to the bottom of the Screen Time menu and tap Turn off screen time. If prompted, enter your screen time passcode to confirm. If you set up screen time without a passcode, this step may be skipped. Reset via Apple ID. If linked. If screen time was set up with an Apple ID, tap Change Screen Time Passcode. Select Forgot Passcode. If prompted, sign in with the Apple ID associated with screen time to reset it. Erase the iPhone. If you don't know the Apple ID password either, you'll need to erase the device. This deletes all data. Put the iPhone into recovery mode or DFU mode. Connect to a computer and use Finder or iTunes to restore the iPhone. Set it up as new or restore it from a backup if you have one. Warning: after erasing, you'll need the Apple ID password to disable activation lock. If you can't get the passcode and Apple ID, or you don't want to lose your data, MagFone iPhone Unlocker is an excellent alternative. Tap on Unlock Screen Time Passcode. Click Start and wait about 10 seconds. MagFone will remove the screen time restrictions without any data loss.